This verse reminds me about Peter's story and his coach. Peter is a player of baseball. Sa tuwing naglalaro siya, lagi siya umaasa na ma-home run niya yung bola. Pero madalas, disappointed siya. At sa tuwing nangyayari yon, lagi sa kanya sinasabi ng coach niya, Peter, that was a good miss. Ginawa ko tong halimbawa about sa mga failures na nararanasan ko bilang Kristiyano. God never calls our sin as good. Pero para sa akin, hindi niya tinitreat yung mga failures natin as final. By His grace, umaasa pa rin siya na ma-home run natin yung laban.
Take my life, take my everything, take my heart.
Sabi ni Dennis Dehaan, yung author ng Daily Bread, if you love God and want to please Him, don't give up or get down on yourself. Ask Him for forgiveness and for strength to overcome your weaknesses. Para sa akin, yung distraction, once na i-entertain mo, yun yung maglilid sa'yo sa mas marami pang problema. Then, yung kalalabasan daw nun, mas ipaprioritize mo siya kaysa sa Christian life mo. And yung ending, lalo sa church. Tapos ang laban. When we repent, hindi lang daw dapat yung mga mali natin ang ina-admit, kundi dapat willing din daw tayo na talikuran yung mga kasalanan at huwag nang balikan.
Take my everything, take my heart, take every part of me. Gotta give my heart and my life to you, and I'll never stop.
Dito, nakita natin kung paano in-emphasize ni Paul kung gaano tayo kamahal ng Diyos nung mamatay si Jesus Christ noong time na makasalanan pa tayo.
I'll never stop giving it all to you. 'Cause all I have is yours, and all I am is yours. 'Cause all I